All right, so today I have a double unboxing for you guys from Hibbett Sports of two new sneakers, one from Nike and one from Jordan brand. Excited to show you guys this video. Let's get into it. What is going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a great day today, and why don't you guys just leave a comment in the comment section of what you guys ate for breakfast, just out of curiosity what you guys are actually eating for breakfast nowadays. I gotta say, I'm a big fan of bacon and eggs for breakfast. A little avocado, not a bad way to start the day. But anyway, today's video we have a double unboxing, Hibbett Sports once again. Now I'm going to show you guys the boxes real quick because I want to just get into it and show you guys the shoes, and then I have something to tell you guys about with a $500 giveaway that they're actually going to be doing with something coming up. So here is the shoes first. 1 and 2, so you can see that we have a Jordan box and again a Nike box, and some of you guys might recognize that lion crown there. But so this is the first pair they sent. Boom, Lebron 16s, and the second pair, boom, Just Don 312 in the varsity red colorway. And this thing is pretty dope if you ask me. But before I get into the overviews of these two shoes, I wanted to let you guys know about Hibbett Sports' new features on their website, which allows you to buy online and pick up in store, or reserve online and then pick up in store. So if you guys haven't heard of Hibbett Sports, they have over 1,000 stores across the US. You can go to their website and actually select the closest store to your location if you have any. Unfortunately for me, I don't have any. Hibbett Sports is going to be giving away a $500 shopping spree at a Hibbett Sports store for anybody that actually uses this feature of buying online or reserving online. They're going to select a random winner for anybody that actually uses this feature. The contest runs from 10/1 through 10/26. But hopefully some of you guys will be able to use this feature out there and be able to buy online and then pick up in store in your local area. It is also really nice if you end up getting something like a Jordan Retro or like a new Nike that you just really want to try out, and then actually be able to get it in store and not be able to have to go and wait in line to be able to buy it. You can just buy it online and then go pick it up. But it's just a really easy way to be able to buy something that you guys are interested in and then go pick it up. It's just easier. Also, if you reserve it instead of just buy it, you have the option to go try it on and make sure it's the right size. For your 2 feet, you can go into the store and then decide on the spot if it's something that you want to keep. And so you guys know, when you make the reservation or you buy the item, it gives you the same day pickup within 90 minutes of the order, up to 2 hours before the store closing. You can also receive an email or text when the items are available. They get some pretty decent products in store though. They got the pine greens, as you could see here from the last drop. They get some good stuff. So definitely worth checking them out if you haven't already, and especially if you have one in your area. Now let's go ahead and get into the video a little bit. First of all, let's start off with Lebrons, because these things, I've been wanting to get these in hand. And shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending these over my direction. It's the Lebron 16, and you can see it's $185 on the box price. I got my 9.5, and I have to say that after trying these on, I think that they fit true to size. They actually fit really good. But after getting these in hand, I'm actually really impressed with this model. I think that this is one of those shoes that you can rock on court, obviously, because it's made for the powerhouse known as LeBron James. But you can also rock this casually, and part of the reason why I think that is because of this. They added some extra layer to the tongue here, and this is a prime example to me of what innovation should be. When you have a product like the last one that was just so snug across here, it had an attached tongue, and it didn't allow for any flex. And in this one, they added so much extra, it looks like an actual tongue on top, but it also flexes quite a bit. And aesthetically, it looks great on feet because it has a really high tongue, and it's easier to slip on because of this. So I think that this is awesome to me. As soon as I saw these in person, it's not something that you can actually see from images, especially stock photos. But as soon as I saw these in person and opened the box, I was like, okay, this is dope. Can't remember the name of the colorway, so I looked it up. This is the fresh bread colorway. I just want to call it bread. I mean, it's black and red, but this colorway is definitely dope, and I like the upper now. This is different. This is like a really, really different Flyknit type upper. I didn't look into the tech specs on this, so I don't know what specific like crazy weave technology they added to this Flyknit looking upper. But you can see they added some really crazy metallic red to the shoe, and it looks nuts. Like when you rotate the shoe around, it just has such a really cool like metallic effect to the shoe. So I think that is actually something really cool as well. Like a two-dimensional picture just doesn't show how this thing like basically is metallic looking, just because of that thread that they use. So again, another pleasant surprise, something that I really liked about the shoe. And also, you can't really go wrong with visible Zoom Air, in my opinion. These stacks are huge, and I'm a fan of Zoom Air, so these look great. And then also on the bottom, They added a little bit of flex groove in the front, which is a nice little evolution for LeBron, I'm sure, on court, because it gives him the added flexibility there that he probably needs. But this is a well-crafted shoe, and at first glance, I have to say, yeah, I was one of those people that thought, yeah, it looks kind of like a KD. It looked like this tongue was sideways more, and yes, this does have an angle right here. From this side, you could see it looks like it's angled, but it just really doesn't resemble a KD at all when you actually get these in hand. It is its own thing, and I really like what they ended up doing with this model. They have a really high pull tab on the back. You see this one says LeBron. I'm just making sure that both of them are the same. They both have a lion head on the back heel cup, and you can see the embroidered red eyes on the lion eyes, which is kind of a cool little detailing. This is kind of like a nubuck material on the back here as well as on the tongue, and then everything else up here is kind of like that Flyknit sort of thing, but it's a different Flyknit than we've seen. It looks different and it feels pretty cool. They also do have some added reinforcement back here, and the tongue on the back side, both like a neoprene type material with the inside liner, which is really nice. These have pretty minimal branding with the Nike placement, at least. It looks like there's a little swoosh here on the side. I don't know if you can see, but when you put these two together, there's actually a 2-3 right here under the laces, which is kind of cool how it has a 2-3. Another swoosh, embroidered swoosh on the inside of the shoe right here. Another thing that I thought was cool is on the soles, the glitter on the bottom is actually kind of a cool little addition too. It's like red, but metallic glitter in the bottom. The Dunkman logo on the bottom is kind of a cool little touch though. I wonder if they're going to be putting this on more LeBrons. Originally this was just on like one shoe. It was like that one colorway of the Dunkmans, but it looks like they're using it more often now. Pretty thick laces, as you can see, but the lockdown is interesting too because it gives you some options. It looks like you can pull it back down further here if you wanted to, or lacing it maybe in a different way. But you also do have some like fly wire type material underneath the tongue here to hold the laces down on top of the tongue. So interesting little small adjustment, but something that's probably really functional for those that need it on court. I think that this shoe does a really good job of actually breaking down off-court and on-court vibes. Leave a comment, let me know, is this something you guys would rock off-court as well? Obviously on-court this thing has to be able to perform, but it looks like something that I could actually wear just casually if I wanted to, go to the grocery store or whatever. Also, you could probably work out in these as well, so these are definitely look like beasts of shoes. I will do a more detailed review of these to come after wearing them, let you guys know if they're casual shoes or not, so expect that video soon. Also, they sent over these guys here. And this is the Air Jordan Legacy 312. Retail is $150, and this is a varsity red and black colorway. And I'll grab both of them out here, and we can take a look. So these things are kind of crazy, man. This is like the Toro Bravo sort of colorway of the 312s. And I know that the steam of the 312 had a really good start because of the first handful of colorways, but it seems like it died down a little bit with more and more colorways that ended up releasing. That being said, the black cement colorway I really like, and then the red one that they sent here I actually really like as well. It's just a nice red colorway of an Air Jordan, and when you have something that's based solely on Chicago, like what better colorway than a red and black pair of Jordans. So this is, if you didn't know, the 312, it's a combination of a bunch of different sneakers. I actually did a detailed review of the blue colorway of the 312 already. If you guys want to check that one out, maybe search my channel for that. I think that this model in particular, the material is definitely not as nice as the original ones that released. I think that those ones actually were a premium price as well, so this isn't the premium version, but it is sort of like a nubuck upper, and the colors definitely pop on this thing. And I like the black swoosh and the black on the midsole. It's kind of a nice touch, but some people love these things, some people hate them. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about the 312s. Have you copped a pair or not? Have you actually rocked them? Like, what do you guys think about this model? I think that they look clean on feet, and as just a Jordan fan, I mean, my whole entire sneaker collection started from Jordans. My whole thing was I really just wanted to collect the entire Air Jordan series 1 through 23, and then once I achieved that, I just kept going. And yeah, so my passion started with Jordan, so this is definitely something that I can appreciate. Anyway, that is the two pairs of shoes. If you guys want a detailed review of these ones, maybe leave a comment. I definitely will be doing a detailed review of these because this is a new model to myself, not one that I've already done a detailed review on. I can't wait, and honestly, these I'm very pleasantly surprised with. Super, super nice, way better than I would have expected in hand. Exceeded my expectations for the LeBron 16 so far. I definitely need to wear them more and give you guys some more feedback. But thank you again to Hibbett Sports for gifting me these packages. It is much appreciated. You guys rock. It's fun to be able to do these videos for you guys as well. But that is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of the day, and we will catch you guys for some more videos very soon. Peace, guys.